Trisha for doing a wonderful job. Before we continue with today's evening, I would like to mention that the chief guest for tonight is Mr. Chidambaram Srinivasan, who is the Commissioner of Victorian Multicultural Commission. I would like to request Sundar Harma to come on stage to introduce and formally welcome Mr. Srinivasan.
We are very lucky today to have among us Mr. Srinivasan. Everybody calls him Srini. And he has been lobbying for Indian associations for different communities in the multicultural commissions for quite few years. And he is the instrumental for most of the communities getting funding from multicultural commission. And we really are very happy that he has accepted our invitation, and also today we are even more lucky that his wife agreed to come and watch our function. Now I hand over to before that I want to just give a small token to our chief guest. In Assam we give it with a gamusa, which is the symbol of Bohag Bihu, and the flowers where they make it is actually done by hand with lots of care. And we always honor our guests or respected people with that gamusa. And once I give the gamusa, I will do the other part of the story. Now I request our chief guest to speak few words to all of you. Good evening. I would like to begin tonight by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we are gathered and pay my respects to their elders both past and present. My name is Srinivasan and I am a commissioner at the Victorian Multicultural Commission. I am very pleased to be here with you all to celebrate this joyous festival of Bohag Bihu and to welcome in the Assamese New Year. It is great to see familiar faces at this happy occasion that I was fortunate enough to meet at last year's celebrations. Thank you, Vic Assam Incorporated, Sundar Sharma and the committee for this kind invitation, and congratulations on a job well done for another year. The new year in any culture or faith is a very special time. It's a time to think about the year gone by and an opportunity to look forward with hope for the new year that is dawning. An aspect I really like about celebrating a new year is the chance to gather with friends, family and the wider community to share in the happiness, hope, traditions and food, just as we are doing here tonight. By coming together to celebrate, we keep Assamese culture thriving here in Victoria, even though we are so far away from India. The Assamese community can show pride in their background and culture while educating Victorians about a exist in harmony. Assam and its members have contributed their time, money and efforts to organize this event that welcomes not only members of the Assamese community of Victoria, but people from all different backgrounds. This is a truly inclusive community wanting to share its culture, art, language, and hospitality with those around them. Thank you for the active role you are taking in promoting harmony in our diverse state. We are also gathered tonight to launch the new edition of Vikasam's Enajori magazine. I am a keen reader of this publication and commend Vikasam on a job well done again. Culturally and linguistically, diverse publications and media are an important way for communities to communicate to each other and to educate the wider community about their own culture. Enajori is a magazine which is a great source of information about Assamese culture, traditions both in Australia and abroad, as well as the Indian culture.
Mr. Srinivasan for those wonderful words. Melbourne Ohomia Homaze Bihu উপলক্ষে এনাজৰি নামৰ এখনি আলোচনী প্ৰকাশ কৰি আহি আছে। এই বছৰো আমি চেষ্টা কৰিছো আলোচনীখনক 9 হাজাৰে সজাই আপোনালোকৰ আগত উলাই আনিবলৈ। আশা কৰো আপোনালোকে আগ্ৰহেৰে আদৰি ল'ব। Enajori is a magazine published yearly and it contains writing of different kinds from the people associated with Melbourne community, Assamese community. We are inaugurating the 9th edition of Enajori this evening. We hope you will embrace it with affection. I would like to invite Mridusmita Haloi, the editor of this year's Enajori, to formally inaugurate the magazine.
Now I request Enajori editor Mridusmita to say a few words on the Enajori instead of me saying anything about it.
Thank you, Subrata. Thank you, Mrs. Srinivasan, for releasing this Enajori. The Enajori has become a part of Vikasam's annual Bohag Bihu celebrations now. First of all, I'd like to say happy Bhokali Bihu to all of you. I'm sorry I'm saying this in English because everybody can understand this. So first of all, I'd like to say thank you to the Vikasam community for giving me this opportunity to present this year's Enajori. And it has been a very rewarding journey and it's a fun thing to do and I love doing this. So thank you very much. Secondly, I'd like to say a big thank you to everybody who has contributed to this edition of Enajori. Incidentally, we have got so many submissions that we have not been able to actually accommodate it in this edition. We have actually kept aside a few for next year's edition, which is a very good thing. And because we have already, this magazine has become like double the size of last year's, which is a very good thing and we are very happy about it. So thank you very much for all your contributions this year. Because it's become a little bit bigger in size, so we have not been able to print a copy for all of you. However, we'll give you the soft copies in a couple of days and you'll be able to print out one for yourself. Or if you want me to do it for you, I can do that. You can get in touch with me and print out one for you. Then I'd like to thank Sundara for his immense support and believe in me that he's trusted me and he supported in this journey. So thank you very much, Sundara. And next, I'd like to say thank you to Junali. She's done a beautiful job with the pictures and she's trying to accommodate almost all of us. However, if you can't see yourself, please understand that it's not intentional and only because we couldn't find a good picture of you. And finally, I'd like to say thank you to also my good friend Jakrul in Guwahati, who's done a beautiful cover for us and made it look a little bit professional. So thank you very much. I hope you'll be able to, hope you like reading it as much as I enjoyed creating this. Thank you very much to everybody.